specification for UK, which 1.2, 1.7 more. The following, and then also maybe our brand of beef, the region. I will keep it up.
Mix one.
This one here, please.
Mix it.
Teriyaki.
That's how we can do it for you.
What I'm doing to make sure I can keep it to the right venue. So it's what they don't break away. It's quite break away.
Nice.